Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today we're playing Dueling Grounds once again. There's 7,000 people playing basically, and I know it's been 5 days since I uploaded a video. But listen, I actually had to have an excuse, and I wasn't just lazy. I'm stuttering like crazy, but let's get straight into this video. All right, we're in the server now, and listen, I'm gonna just try to run maybe a few games, and hold on, I want to try to get the dual daggers, cause last time I played this, which was I think like 9 days ago, I started getting cooked with it. So let's try to join a game. Play. I might be rusty. I need to start playing games when I'm not recording, man. Alright, so it's me versus Mr. Ace. Bro, I missed this game, bro. And there's a lot of people playing it too, so it's a perfect time. Alright, so who's this guy? He got 0 wins. Alright, this might be a free game for me. Alright, come on. Gotta start button mashing once again. Alright, hold on. Jump. Yup. Damn. Okay. Yeah, if he got more damage on me, that's not good. Oh my goodness. Why is he cooking my shit? Bro! Oh, bro, I literally hurdled over it. Oh. Come on. Yup. Come on, broke him once. Alright, come on. I'm actually on that now. Yup. Come on. Yup. He broke me. Okay, dodge over. Yup. I'm starting to jump now. Yup. I'm not using my special yet. Oh my goodness, bro. This guy. Come on. Jump over him again. Bro! Yes, he got his special. Okay, I just dodged it. Like, you know, it's my first game back in 9 days and I only have 2 wins, so you can't blame me for that. Listen, you need to win this game. Win or lose, we're still gonna get the daggers, so come on. Yup. Got him. Got first hit. Okay. Jump on him. What? For how he got me first? We both did it at the same time. He broke me again. Are you serious? Bro. Oh. Yup. Oh yeah. Ultimate. Yup, give me that. Come on. Get down. One more hit. He's done. Alright, I got first round. Perfect. That's what I need. Do that. Jump on him. Okay. I'm telling you, he plays so passive. Broke him. There we go. Yup. Yup. Come on. To the chest. Give me that. Yeah, broke him like. Come on, I'm cooking you, boy. Ultimate, jump over, and I'm so nice. Okay, it's cool though. You can't keep blocking. Yup, I'm winning this regardless. Come on. Yup, easy, done. Give me that. Let's go, baby. Getting dual daggers. Inventory, dual daggers. Whip. So yeah, this is a whole different play style, so we gotta figure it out. We're using the dagger. Oh. There's me. Here's my opponent. Okay, why is he? Okay, this guy might be smart. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Okay, I broke him. There we go. Oh yeah, get him again. Yup. Just gotta play smart. Dodge. Yup. See, I'm faster than him. He gotta. Yup. Dodge again. Easy. Come on. Once I figure out this weapon, it's gonna be so much easier to use. Come on. Let me use my special. Yep, got him. You break him. Break him again. Oh wow. Okay, I walked right into that. Okay, that's still cool. Once I get my special off, the match is over. That's really the goal. Once I get my special. Yeah, that's cool. He can do that. He can do that. He or she, I don't know. Okay, based off that username. Jeez, okay. Bro, let me use my power up, please. Thank you. Oh, it's over. If I can get that off. Yeah, come on. Bro, y'all saw how far I sent his ass back, man. Hopefully we find a good server on first try. Oh, it's disabled. Damn, why did it disable it, bro? Alright, we're just gonna wait till I guess casual is back up. Alright, the servers are finally back up after a little bit of waiting, so let's try to join in casual. Hopefully we get a good server first attempt. This dude tried attacking me, but I left quickly, so. And we get a horrible server. Like, bro, queuing up in this game is just horrible. Alright, finally we found another good server once again. I gotta keep cutting it to this. Because, like, it takes me like 5 to 4 attempts to try to find a server that is actually already queued in. When I try to queue in servers, like, I'm not trying to wait like 5 minutes to join a match. So we got Trench Baby 13 versus me. I think I got this match, to be honest with you. Alright, good damage on him. Hurdled again. Yeah, bro. Yup, got him again. Once again. I keep saying that. I'm just... Listen. Just know I'm kicking his ass right now. Alright, now he's kicking mine. And, alright. I spoke too soon. He got me. Alright. I need to start dodging. So. Yup. That was a beautiful dodge. Yeah, I'm gonna just spam it. When you use daggers, like I gotta click faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's over. I'm gonna use my special. Come on. Let him come towards me. He got his special too, so I'm gonna just keep walking back. Oh wow, okay. Don't use your special, please. Bro! I sold my special. Are you serious? Okay. I need to get enough damage on him before I die. Or it's gonna be bad. Okay. Okay. He has his special, which is not good for me. I gotta make sure he doesn't use it. Okay. You know what? But maybe he's stupid. Maybe he doesn't even know how to use his special, actually. Come on. Like, come on. What is... Alright, yeah, that's a free win. Give me that. Like, what was that? Alright. We're finally in a match once again. I just gotta keep cutting, because... Again, I'm gonna keep saying it. Queuing in this game is complete dog shit, right? Yeah, I think this is gonna be another free win. So... I'm gonna try to make quick work of this boy. Yeah. Come on. Oh, whoa. Alright. Yup. Oh yeah, he's not even playing. Oh yeah, this is free. Game's already over. Easy work, free coins. I'll take that. Thank you. And I'ma just skip until we get into a game again. Alright, y'all. After many attempts again, you finally joined the server. I bet I said that like 5 or 4 times already. But alright. So we're versing what's his name? I'm gonna just call him Tom. So Tom versus me. Come on. But look at the lighting. Bro, the daylight lighting is so beautiful. Wow. Like, look at this lighting. I'm gonna keep saying it. Like, this game, the graphics on it. Come on. Oh, give me that. Break his posture. Oh, wow. He's gonna break mine. Bro, I need to start blocking, like, holy. Yup. Break this once again. I'm gonna save my special. Yup. He wasted his. Break his posture. Give me that elimination. Oh yeah, he's done. Making quick work of him. Quick work. Come on, come towards me. Oh, look what he's trying to do. Break his posture. Oh, are you serious? I wasted my finisher. Okay, he's still dead though. Come on. Yup. Come on, I'm trying to get him second. Yup. Yup. Oh, bro, I swear I blocked that. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's go. Once again. I'm telling you, I'm cooking every single one of them. That's another one. I'm gonna play one more match, and then we'll see. All right. So we're versing Jaden. This is gonna be our last match. So yeah. I don't know my record for today's video. I think I got more wins than losses, so that's a good thing. Okay, so he has the what are those called? Like the Iron Fist or something? What the hell? Bro, why the hell he's moving like that, man? Boy, he's moving like prime Bruce Lee. Okay. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Got. Yeah, that's not gonna save you. Goodness. But if y'all could see, telling he already knew what he was dealing with. All right. This is my final match. Reversing Ice Knight. 225 678. This guy looks like comp, so this might turn out bad for me. Lock mouse. All right. I didn't even check his wins, so all right. Let's see. I gotta see what I'm dealing with. Okay, so he has a big hammer. Oh wow, what the hell? Oh yeah, come on. Yeah. There we go. Got first hit. Oh wow. Yeah, he broke me. Okay. Gotta play smart, huh? Bro, I'm trying to dodge. Okay, he broke me. I still got more health though. Okay, I have mine, he has his. Okay, I gotta play smart. Come on. Up. Got a hit. But look at the way he's playing. Up. What? Oh my goodness. Yo, I knew he was gonna do that. I'm smart. Come on. Look, you playing too passive. Nope. Gotta give me that. First round, baby. Let's do it. Also, this guy's avatar is tough. Like, it's actually a good avatar. But I'm gonna still try to win though. Nope. Damn. Don't do that. Oh my goodness. Don't do that. Come on. Oh, I just sold my opportunity. Damn. I literally just sold my opportunity to use my special. Are you serious? Come on. Alright. Are you what? Bro. Alright, it's still cool. I got more health. Damn. Ah, please. What the? Brother, are you serious? Come on. Come on. No! Damn it, man. Ah. Alright, I sold that game. But yeah. I dead ass sold that. But yeah, fuck, bro. Yeah, I sold that shit. I don't know why. I started playing way too aggressive and I used my special too early. But yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm not gonna lie, I can't end on that shit. I'm playing another match. I can't do it. I can't end on a lose like that. I'm gonna just play another match. I can't. I physically can't. Alright. We're gonna play this. Okay. Yeah, this guy's definitely not comp. We're playing Juana 2026 Ola. I'm not satisfied, man. I can't believe I lost, man. Like, oh, I should have won that. It was a good match, though. Alright, come on. Yeah, this guy's free. Alright, you know what? Let me just try to beat him so I can get my satisfaction. Up. 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 Alright, just eliminate him. Got first round. Listen, this counts towards my record. I don't even care. What the? Come on. Hell no. Bro, why me? Bro, he's actually cooking me. No, get away from me, bro. Goodness gracious, he's getting good damage on me. Okay. Oh. Bro. That's cool, man. I just need to use my special. What? Alright, he got me. Didn't use my special, but it's cool. Bro, stop blocking me, man. I don't appreciate that. Don't use your special. Yup. Yeah, it's over. He doesn't even know how to use it. Alright, come on. You be my win. Thank you. You know what? We didn't end it on a loss. But I didn't get my satisfying win though. But hey, whatever. Yeah, this game's pretty fun though, but let's just actually let's play on these. But yeah, let me turn down my volume. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's been 5 days since I uploaded, but we're gonna get this upload in, so I appreciate it. And you know, we actually gotta start training. So if you see my wins up in my next Dueling Grounds video, just know I got some practice matches in. So thank you guys for watching, and I gotta go to work. Appreciate it.